Done correctly. I was going to not speed in the couple, off the speed limiter. There's a high pressure environment out there. Just to get a and I'm a fan actually, because it used to be incredibly difficult to commentate a qualifying session. You sounded like a random name generator filter.
And you got the jeopardy on, or you just sort of
I'm making myself sound pretty knowledgeable on that, but I do know a good race car when I see them coming over bouncing curves, because I've spent most of my life bouncing over curves at a certain sort of north.
Get a good one, a hill with his lockup.
Alan Heidel, you can grab your can of Coke or a beer. You put it in his car. Trust me. Into the last club chicane comes the Napa Ford. There goes Robo. He crosses the line, so he'll be on for a bit of a push lap just now. He's chased by his younger teammate Sam Osborne. Sam really saw having that fairly sizable off at the start of the year, but he unfortunately caught he just comes around going to the curve, he caught the barrier halfway down the field. Now with to come in at all. So it'll be interesting to see if ATS comes into this one, Aaron Taylor Smith, because he has been fast this Saturday test day. 2-3 practice days back, and pretty much one of the quick guys up there all the way. That's a Thruxton straight one, that's straight two as he goes through, but then he uses too much of the track on the exit. He crosses the line, he'll go to the top of the time, well, yes he does, but I'm worried he might lose that lap for using too much of the track there, Alan. On the exit of the last chicane, he was over the blue, white, red, onto the green and the grass. He goes well here. He's a race winner here. Robo. He could pop a big one here. Speed of 116.0 last time, 116.1 this time. We did see him in the 15s earlier on. We did see Dan Robertson in the one with the 15 bracket earlier on, so what can we do this time? Here comes Tom Shelton as well, looking pretty good. And then on a par with Dan Robertson in the middle, and maybe 2 but still very much from bounce to curb there, but we keep our eyes on John Chilton crossing the line. He's currently 9th, so this will be the achievement for John Chilton. Where will he go to? Who is second behind Dan Rowbottom? Rowbottom, Chilton, Hill, Taylor Smith goes ahead of Global as well. Colin Turkington 6th on the bubble. And he's very much bent that car up. That's kind of now driving back all wrong. There was a failure in the end. No, it wasn't a failure in the end. It was for a big second under the end. Opposite corner. He's bent the back. That car is going to be heading in by he's like a drift car coming around right now. He's having to do a whole lot of sideways and he's actually going off the track now, so I think this is putting, it's costing a lot of people a bit of lap time now. Even Moffat, well, you've got a slow moving car so they can't deliver the lap time, but the Moffat has gone through. On the exit of Church Corner we see Aaron Taylor Smith. Thankfully, this isn't a full-on qualifying session with 32 cars like we used to have out there. Otherwise, I think somebody would have caught him on the exit of Church and it would have been like a bomb going off. Thankfully, he's towards the tyre wall now, so if we can just get through the chicane before even Moffat gets through Church, I think that's going to be okay for the Moff, but a huge amount of work to be done for the Power Max Racing team, because that car is taken up and changed it back. No, that's been a mess. He's come back from the far end of the circuit like that. But here comes Aidan Moffat. Aidan has been able to keep his lap going. He's set a good middle sector. Can the Moff get through here and get himself into that 6th position or better as he comes out and crosses the line? Jake Hill goes for the pit lane. Across the line goes Aidan Moffat, a 1:17.448. Checker flag is out. Moffat takes it, stays in 7th place. As we go indoors with the ITV pictures, and well, a facial expression, a hand in the air, says it all. To me, Aidan Moffat, rest of the